why promoting website hosting as an affiliate is lucrative. Are you tired of looking for affiliate programs that don't pay well? If so, you might want to look into promoting website hosting. Website hosting is an extremely profitable niche to promote, solely for the high commission rates you may receive. There are certain website providers that are willing to pay you up to $100 for each person you get to join. The reason the commission is so high is because you'd be enrolling someone in a service where they get billed every single month. Just like the cable business, they have to pay a fee every month they use those services. Over time, this adds up and has the potential to make the web hosting company a lot of money. Another reason they're able to pay a lot is because many web hosting providers have a high profit margin rate. While the rates are getting lower and more competitive, it still beats that which you might receive if you were to go into another area of business. There are millions of people that still don't have web hosting that are thinking about it. The market still has a lot of growth potential for anyone that's willing to put in the work and create real reviews of the various web hosting brands. The best way to make money from this opportunity is to do well-researched, honest reviews of the web hosting companies. Give your users useful information that will help them make educated decisions on finding the best web hosting solutions for their website. If you seek to help them first, they'll reward you by buying through your affiliate link. Then you'll receive either a big one-time commission, or you may receive a residual commission as long as that person remains a customer of the hosting company. Promoting website hosting as an affiliate really is one of the most lucrative ways to make money online.